In this video, we are going to see how we can improve the visual appearance of this sheet by formatting. So right now we have this data, but this sheet looks very simple. What we need to do is just add some colors to it. Let me just add filters, and let's say that I want a specific format for the heading, just like so. And I want the text to be white. And let's say that I want to make a colorful combination, that one row should be a little light gray, and then the next one should be white, and again the next one should be gray. But if I do this manually, it will take a lot of time. So instead, what we will do is we will use a simple thing, that is formatting this as table. Just go to the home tab, click on format as table, and you can choose whatever format you like. So the same that I have discussed just now is available here, readily available. Just select this. It will automatically select the range. Just confirm the range is like this. And you don't have to read this in detail. Rather, you can just identify it by the dancing dashes, because that indicates the selection. So our complete data is selected, and it says my table has headers. Yes, we do have headers that is used in each column. So we have these headings that we want to format as well and make the part of it and make the part of table. So click OK, and as you can see, instantly the table will be formatted. And not only that, as soon as we inserted the table, we also get a special menu here, which is table design, where we can change the formatting to whatever we need. Let's say that I extract this, and I can play around and see different previews of it. Whatever I like, I just need to click on that. So let's say I want this simple formatting. I just clicked on this, and now this is our format. We also have a short key for this. Let's say I just reverse this by undo. And now I want to format it again. I just hold the control key, press T here. Control T is the short key, hit enter. And that's how you can easily format that. It will format in a default table. So let's say it always do it blue, but after that you can change it from table design to whatever format you want. And that's how we can format this. And also you will notice that even if no filter is applied, it will not only insert the table, it will apply the filter with each heading as well. And that's why it was asking that does your table has headers? So if they have headings, I will apply filter to them as well. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.